Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect forex.com to MetaTrader 5. So basically, first things first, you want to make sure that you already opened an account on forex.com. So you just want to log in your forex.com account, and from here you then want to navigate through MetaTrader 5. Click on Open MT5 account, which is going to be MetaTrader 5, and from here you can just simply fill out all of the information, click on save and continue, and you will receive your login and passwords for forex.com. So from there, let's then navigate through the application right here. Click on file, click on open an account, and then you can search for forex.com. So depending on your location, we have different servers right here like forex.com, or if you're in Europe, it's going to be StoneX Europe LTV, forex.com Europe. So let's just click on the next button, and then you want to make sure to enter the right trading account credentials and the passwords, and then you want to use the server right here. Now once again, you will receive these credentials after opening up a trading account on your forex.com account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.